I mean yung last play na 4 points na nagreklamo ka na may foul dapat eh.
Yeah.
Ano ba nangyari? Tingin mo?
Well, I felt when I took the shot, akala ko may foul eh. But I talked to the referee naman, they reviewed it. Sabi naman walang foul. So, I believe them kasi nireview eh. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung play eh. But, noong una, I felt na may foul. I apologize also sa referee kasi naadala rin ng emotion kaya medyo nakapagreklamo.
But how do you see yung 4-point shot? Especially na
Well,
nakapasok ka.
ngayon nag-benefit sa amin. I mean, we lost the game pero 'di ba, dumikit kami agad ng isang tira lang. Kung naka-shoot pa kami nung last sana, mag-over. So mixed emotions sa 4 points eh. Kasi pwedeng mag-advantage and disadvantage din. But see you go. It's a new parang new game for us eh. It's fun. It's fun pag naghabol ka kasi may 4 points ka na pwede mag-rely eh. Pero pag lamang ka naman, ang bilis na But definitely mas lumuwag yung floor kasi medyo worried na rin yung mga players sa 4 points. Medyo nakakalito lang pag transition kasi dalawang linya eh. But it's okay. So far, medyo na-appreciate ko naman.
How about yung laro nyo kanina? Dumikit kayo.
Yeah.
Mag-uusay yung import nyo eh.
Yeah,
So far,
Taylor's a great player. He's a great person. And he works hard para sa team. He's also a nice person. Lagi siya sa amin. Pag-ulitan din, makulit din. And about the game, we were there the whole game eh. Dumikit, nag-goal pa no?
85 ba?
And then, nagka-run sila. Nagka-8-point lead sila noon. From there, medyo nahirapan na kami recover. But I saw my teammates talagang nagsa-sacrifice, mag-go hard talaga to help the team. Every one of us, even yung bench namin, talaga nagko-contribute. But yun nga, siyempre, malakas din talaga yung Tokens. And yeah, they had RHJ pa yung import nila. So, may isa pa naman eh. We'll meet them again. So hopefully makapag-adjust kami and